my friends, welcome to the channel. I know it's been a while, so working on this beast today. So the fuel sending unit hasn't worked in a couple of years, so we're gonna see if we can possibly see what's going on, because the new ones are like 200 bucks. So, you know, us being poor folks without any type of sponsorships, we gotta see if we can figure this out. It's a little seized, so I had to get a little punch. Alright. Let's see if we can get it with as little spillage as possible. So much for a little spillage. My temporary solution to cover this up for a little bit while we go and see what is going on with this thing. Still original, made in Germany, we'll see. Alright, let's dissect this guy and see what's what. I've never taken one of those apart, so bear with me. Alright. It sounds like it's doing its thing, so kind of curious what's going on. Well, it's 5.5 mil, so super weird size. It's not big, it's not big. I was hoping that the float was just stuck, but I can hear it moving, so I don't think it's stuck. So we might have something different, which is annoying, because float being stuck would have been the easier option. Okay. So float is definitely moving freely, and our string seems to be doing just fine. Yeah, so unfortunately that's not it. So we might have to test on resistance on this and just see what is it doing. Alright, let's see. Yep, so sending unit works, as you can see. Resistance definitely changing, so there's something that's not letting it send the signal. Well, the reason why I was not looking forward to it, because it sounds like I'm gonna have to dig into wiring. This video initially started to see if we can fix the fuel gauge. Unfortunately we couldn't, but we know our fuel sending unit's working, so you know, problems require some sort of solutions. And the solution is going to be this. And we have about 3/4 full tank or so. So we're gonna see how that works. I do have electric fuel pump, so the clicking you'll hear is going to be electric fuel pump. That looks about right. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?